One of the most common questions we hear from sales teams that are using Arrow sales rooms is what truly makes a great sales room stand out? So here's what we've seen work across our customers and the type of content that tends to get the most engagement. They should be easy for your reps and customers to be able to use. A custom banner can make the room feel like an extension of your business and your sales process, and start with the content that you know your customers and prospects need versus overwhelming them with every single resource you might have. Highlighting specific blocks can help draw attention to information, and using sections can help rooms feel more organized without overwhelming customers. Some of the most consistently used content blocks we see are the value prop one to explain why this matters to your customers, the next steps and the milestone block so that everyone knows what's coming up next and where they are in the process, a call recording block so that your customers have access to those past conversations and demos, and access to case studies and testimonials so that your customers have the social proof they're looking for. The room itself and each of these blocks have unique links that you can share with customers if they ever ask for information. And Arrow's intelligence can keep your rooms updated and relevant after each sales transaction, making it easier for reps to do their job. So keep in mind that your rooms should help drive collaboration and action, help your customers know exactly what's next in the process for them, and make it easier for your customers to ultimately make that final decision of agreeing to work with you.